Hello everyone and welcome to another adventure. My name is Koos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today I'm super excited because we're at the grand finale of our USA trip and we are in the Grand Canyon. So today we are doing a small hike to Ooh Aah Point. We're just going to take a nice glimpse of the views. And then we're going to end today on one of the viewpoints for the sunset. So really looking forward to today. It's been like 24 years since I've been here. So yeah, let's get this show on the road and see the Grand Canyon. In the Grand Canyon, at the South Cape Up trailhead, you'll find the Ooh Aah Point hike. The hike is a 2-mile round trip and offers a maximum payoff for a least amount of effort. Wow! The views are simply fantastic before the trail even starts. And with a regular shuttle service from the main visitor center, it is pretty easy to get to. Here we go, guys. Off the Ooh Aah Point. So today it's about 82 degrees, nice and sunny. We have got plenty of water on us because we don't want to get heat exhaustion or run out of water either. But Ooh Aah Point shouldn't be too far away. Let's get on the switchbacks. Ooh, this is exhilarating. Look at that. We're going down. Oh yeah. And so far, not too bad. We're mostly in the shade. We're gonna hit the sun a bit further down over there. Well, yeah, pretty awesome trail, and it's pretty awesome to actually be descending a bit down into the Grand Canyon, because last time I was here it was in winter, there was snow and everything, and I was with my grandmother back then as well. So yeah, there was no way she was gonna be doing that, and there was no way going down this in snow or icy conditions. One thing to be aware of is there are mules coming up. If there are, just follow the guide's instructions. They most likely want you to stay to the right on the rock face, but just follow their instructions. Well yeah, we're just cracking on with a front row seat to this natural wonder. Located in northern Arizona, the Grand Canyon is a massive 277 mile long, mile deep gorge which was carved by the Colorado River. It was carved over millions of years, exposing rocks that are up to 2 billion years old. I'm just thinking, guys, the trail kind of reminds me of going up on the approach towards Refuge at Toubkal in Morocco. It's a bit similar to it, but yet so far away from it. What a view! You know, you see some of the colors there, guys, here, like yellow up there, red down here, and it just goes on and on and on. All layers, all from years and years of erosion of the Colorado River, which we might get a glimpse of. I'm not being hopeful, but you never know. So we normally have a saying when we're in the mountains: ascent is optional and descent is mandatory. What's the other way around over here? Descending is optional, ascending is mandatory. So if anything feels off, my recommendation is turn back around and get yourself to safety, especially in heat. Heat exhaustion, like I said, and dehydration are serious factors. So just play it safe and live to fight another day. As we proceed downwards, I've come to the realization that there are no bad views. Everywhere you look, there's some stunning scenery. The massive gorge just laid out like a book in front of you. After a good mile or so, we reach the final destination of Ooh Aah Point. And we can definitely see why the name Ooh Aah Point. The views are literally Ooh Aah. So here we are, guys. Ooh Aah Point. What a view. What a view. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, can't get enough of that. Can't get enough of that. You can carry on hiking further. The further you go in, the longer it's going to take you to get back, obviously. We're going to turn back around from here and going to catch the sunset later. Yeah, just going to sit around here for a bit and enjoy this view. So what goes down must come up. Yeah, it doesn't sound logical at all, but trust me, it is. We're on our way back. Hello, you alright? I'm shocked how many people I've bumped into not carrying any water, heavy clothing on, even one with a handbag. This ain't a walk in the park, for Christ's sake. Definitely make sure you bring water. Definitely, I've used about 1.5 liters so far. So it goes to show, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. We're back up safely on the trailhead. Jump in the car and go to this viewpoint. Absolutely awesome experience so far. Right now we parked up close to the visitor center and we're on our way to Mather Point for the sunset. Mather Point, guys, wow. As we stand on the viewpoint of Mather Point, the views stretch for miles and miles. And in the distance we spot where we've been earlier, at Ooh Aah Point. Yeah, we're waiting for the sunset, guys, at Mather Point. And this is the end of our USA trip as well. So we did Ooh Aah Point today, and then up here at Mather Point to catch the sunset. So yeah, if you like this adventure, guys, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel unless you've already done that. If you want to get more benefits out of the channel, check out our members area. If you want to help us grow, swipe the comment box and you can award us high points so you get higher in the rankings and we can grow the channel. Yeah, I'm going to leave you guys over here and put a nice little time lapse of the sunset. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll get you on the next one.